guys, today is the day. Today is the first day. I have just arrived in Denver last night. Failed to vlog until now because I've just been like anxious and stressed a little bit. But now that I'm here, I'm settled in, I'm fine, I feel good. I can update you on what's happening. I'm in Denver and we are going to be filming the exercises for Oxygen Magazine's Healthy New You program that I wrote for them. The whole reason I'm even on the cover of Oxygen's November-December issue is because I'm writing their Healthy New You program for New Year's. That's when it's launching. And so they gave me the cover and an inside story, and now we're filming all of the exercises from the program so that when people get the program, they can look up the exercises and see how to do it. So that's what I'm gonna be doing all week. It's gonna be such a long week. It's like 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. every day, filming the workouts. Today, which is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so 4 days of that. But I'm just really excited and so grateful for this opportunity. This is such a dream come true for me. I'm just grateful that I'll be able to reach so many more people and help them better their lives than I would on my own. So thank you so much to Oxygen Magazine for this opportunity. I just woke up, as you can tell by my voice and my face. I want to show you their loft that they sent me up in. It's so cute. Here, I'll show it to you. And also look how sweet this is. I came here and I find this note last night from Colleen, who's the video producer, I think. And it says, "Welcome to Denver, Katie. I think you've been here before, but just in case, my two big tips. Drink water, use chapstick. There's water and sparkling in the fridge. There's fruit and other food next door in the studio. See you at 8, Colleen." And she gave me this. How cute is that? So sweet. Anyway, here's the kitchen. This one. There you go. And a little living room. That's the bedroom over there. Bathroom. Closet. Oh, nice. Yeah. Isn't that nice? Just for me. And the studio that we're filming in is literally next door over. So it's amazing. So I gotta make myself some food and get ready and stretch. Stretch, try to relax, drink some coffee. Keep you guys updated. Enjoy the video. Here's breakfast. Half a banana with 1 tablespoon peanut butter, 5 egg whites with 1 whole egg. And that's gonna give me about 30 grams of carbs. Oh, plus my creamer that I have in there. 25 to 30 grams of carbs with the creamer. It's like 25 grams of protein and about 10 grams of fat. So that's what's on my menu right now. Story time really quick. Oh, this light is terrible, sorry. Okay, story time, you guys. This week, I was playing beach volleyball on Monday, or this last week I was playing volleyball, and I go to jump, and okay, I'm going to volleyball, I'm like, man, I'm leaving on, next week, maybe I shouldn't play, like this is kinda, what if I get injured? I can't be injured with the shoe, I'll just take it easy, but I'll go anyways. So I go to volleyball, and of course I wanna play, and I play, and right before I play, I'm thinking, my body's really tired. I did legs today, I did all this cardio, like, I really shouldn't do this. It flashed through my mind, but I played anyways because I love it. And of course, I go to jump, and I feel something literally pop inside my abs. It was like my muscle popped, and then it went numb, and then it was like extreme pain. And I was like, oh my God, I cannot believe I just pulled a muscle or something. So I stopped immediately, called my PT, she's like, it sounds like it's your psoas, which your psoas goes from the back of your lumbar spine. It's a hip flexor, so it kind of lines the inside of your pelvic hip bone or whatever. I don't know. It goes through your abs to your lumbar spine, and you use it for everything. You use it for everything. So then I'm like, okay, now I'm like limited in what kind of cardio I can do this week. What if I'm not ready? What if it swells and I'm bloated? Like, oh my God, it was so scary. What if I can't do the exercises this week? This whole week we're filming exercise workout, like videos. Workout videos. Like, what if I can't do it? So that, I was freaking out all week. And Weston's like, you should film this because it's part of your story. But I was literally way too, I had too much anxiety about it to pick up my camera and film it. So now that I'm okay, like it feels okay. I haven't done anything extreme since then. I'm just hoping to God, I pray to God that it does not act up during this week. I'm gonna take some time and stretch and roll out before I head over there. This morning I have about an hour, so I gotta get going. So, okay, I'll see you guys in there. Wish me luck. You guys, we just got to set. I'm so excited. Check out how cool this is. This studio used to be an old brothel, she said. But anyway, that's what we're going to be filming the workouts. This is what it looks like on site, you guys. And then hair and makeup room with Beth. Yes. Got it. She's my hair and makeup lady. She's going to make me look fly. Can't wait. Don't mind me just getting my Jillian Michaels on with this. I'm going to be walking you guys through each workout, telling you what the exercise does, any modifications you guys can do if you can't do the exercise, how you should do it. I'm going to do it with you. I'm about to kick my own butt right now. I'm a little bit scared for phase 3, which is in 2 days, because it's really not hard, but it's cardio intensive, and we're at a high altitude right now, so I will be struggling along with you guys, but we're gonna get through it together.
That's the thing with Sony.
Your arms are the only thing going on.
Yeah, it's just an addition, really.
It is.
And ours went down the setting.
See? You're doing it!
Really?
Let's do the same thing. No.
Yeah, I got that on here. Go for it.
She's like, wait a minute.
Go show
My
it, go show it.
brain. She's like, my brain's off.
Yeah. Da, 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 da. Great. Oh yeah, we're not having fun at all, you guys. All right, guys, time for lunch, and we're eating on the roof. Yes, please. How cool is this? Day 1 complete. Good job, team. We're enjoying a nice, healthy lunch on the rooftop right now. It's so beautiful. It's not too cold, which I'm really grateful for. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, you guys, I am so exhausted. Oh my God, that was so exhausting. But also super fun and cool and a really good experience for me. Just any time I can get behind a camera is gonna be good for me in my career. So I'm really grateful for the experience. This is totally different from anything I've ever done, yet it's something that I think I would be good at and like always saw my career going towards. So really excited about it. And everyone was so nice and easy to work with compared to other shoots that I've done. Like everyone was just very warm and friendly and understanding when I messed up. They all just laughed and we did another take and it wasn't stressful. And he walked me through everything, just so easy to work with. And they made it very like low stress and nice just to work with them. So grateful for you guys. Oxygen Magazine, you rock. So honored to be even doing this. I told the editor, Laura, I'm like, thank you so much. Like, you don't know how much this means to me, and it is literally a dream come true for me to be here. So grateful, you guys. The Healthy New You program is gonna kick your booties. So it's a program though that I designed to work for anybody, like any fitness level. So if you've never worked out before, if you don't know really where to start, this would be an amazing program for you to jump into, because it starts out pretty slow and basic for phase 1, and then as you progress into the other phases, it gets more challenging. And they're doing an amazing job with like the recording, and I explain every exercise. So if you don't know how to work out, or if you need guidance, this would be a perfect workout program for you. And I designed the program to be like, help you get into the habit of exercising and adopting the lifestyle instead of just doing a challenge. So it's really gonna, in my opinion, be more likely to last in the long term for you than a challenge would be. So, oh my God, I'm so hungry. I'm gonna call my boyfriend, and I'm gonna call my coach, and I'm gonna call my mom, and I'm gonna go eat sushi. And then I'm gonna come and take a bath and foam roll and go to bed, because I have 2 more days of this and it's only gonna get harder. So I'll keep you updated. My psoas lasted all day. Granted, I wasn't doing anything crazy. My knee's kind of hurting though, so I'm gonna ibuprofen it up right now. And yeah, I'll catch you guys at the sushi place. I'm gonna go to a place called Hapa Sushi, I think. So anyways, thanks so much for tuning in, you guys, and I will see you probably in the next video. I'm thinking I'm gonna split up this whole week into different videos. So thank you for watching. I'll see you at the sushi place. Bye. So good to eat right now.
How's everything? Good?
Oh, it's really good.
Yay, good.
Thank you. I ordered this roll that was recommended. It's called the multiple orgasm roll. Don't listen to that. But anyway, it's really good. The only thing is I didn't know it was baked. And I know this is super high in fat, and so that might get me in trouble, but I'm gonna eat it anyway because I'm so hungry. And I also got some chicken teriyaki. So I'm gonna scarf this down, drink a lot of water, head back to the Airbnb loft, and probably take a bath and go to bed early. So if you've made it this far in the video, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Please leave feedback below. I hope you enjoyed the behind the scenes of phase 1, day 1, filming this program. And I will see you. Get out of my food. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm so tired.